Good morning, students. Today topic is conics. Conics, there are three types. One is parabola. Number two, ellipse. Number three, hyperbola. First, we have to take parabola. Number one. There are four types in parabola. Number one, all are open type. Number one, open rightward parabola. Open rightward parabola. The shape of the parabola is open rightward, x dash a, y dash a, open rightward parabola. The general equation of the open rightward parabola is y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h, where h and k are the centers or peak point of the open rightward parabola. So in this case, the parabola passing through origin, therefore h and k are 0. So the equation is y square is equal to 4ax is the equation of the parabola. Number 2, open leftward parabola. Open leftward parabola. The diagram is, the shape of the diagram is this one. Open leftward parabola. X dash a, y dash. The general equation of the open leftward parabola is y minus k whole square is equal to minus 4a into x minus h. Number 3, this diagram passing through origin, therefore y square is equal to minus 4ax. Number 3, open upward parabola. Open upward parabola. The shape of the diagram is open upward parabola. This shape. The general equation of the open upward parabola is x minus h whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k. In this case, the parabola passing through origin, therefore h and k are 0, 0, x square is equal to 4a into y. Fourth one, open downward parabola. Open downward parabola. The shape of the diagram is, this shape x dash a, y dash a. The general equation of the open downward parabola is x minus h whole square is equal to minus 4a into y minus k. In this case, the diagram passing through the origin, therefore h and k are 0, then x square is equal to minus 4ax. These are the four types of parabola. Number 1, open rightward parabola. Number 2, open leftward parabola. Number 3, open upward parabola. Number 4, open downward parabola. Next, conic. Conic number 2, ellipse. There are two types. One is the major axis along x-axis. Major axis along x-axis. A is greater than B. A is greater than B. A major axis along x-axis. X dash is y, y dash. The shape of the diagram is this. Here vertex V1, V2. Here AB. Now the focus is double focus of the ellipse. This is F1, this is F2. V1, V2 are the vertices of the ellipse. F1 and F2 are the focus of the ellipse. The general equation of the ellipse, x-axis we call as major axis, y-axis is called as minor axis. Major axis length is greater than minor axis length. The general equation of the ellipse is x minus h whole square divided by a square plus y minus k whole square divided by b square is equal to 1 of the form. In this case, center is h and k 0, 0. Therefore, x minus 0 whole square, y minus a 0 whole square divided by a square, a b square. So, x square by a square plus y square divided by b square is equal to 1 of the form. Next, number 2, second type. The major axis length is less than minor axis length. So, the diagram becomes this type. A is less than B. X dash y, y dash. Here center is 0, 0. The general equation is x minus h whole square divided by a square, x minus h whole square divided by b square plus y minus k whole square divided by a square is equal to 1. In this case, a and b are interchanging. B is greater than a or a is less than b. Number 3, hyperbola. Hyperbola, there are two types. One is transverse axis along x-axis. X-axis is called a transverse axis. Transverse axis along x-axis. Now x dash y, y dash. The general equation of the hyperbola is x minus h whole square divided by a square minus a y minus k whole square divided by b square is equal to 1 of the form. In this case, center is 0, 0. Here focus F1, here vertex V1, here V2, here F2. In this case, center is 0, 0. Therefore, x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1 of the form. Okay. Now, hyperbola, x-axis we call as transverse axis. Y-axis we call as conjugate axis. Transverse axis, conjugate axis. Type number 2 of the hyperbola. X dash y, y dash. Now the length of B is greater than length of A. Therefore, the general equation of the hyperbola is x, in this case y minus k whole square divided by a square minus x minus h whole square divided by b square is equal to 1 of the form. There are two types of the hyperbola. Conics divide into three types. One is parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. Parabola contains four types: open rightward parabola, open leftward parabola, open upward parabola. Ellipse contains two types. One is major axis along x-axis, another one is conjugate axis along y-axis. Next, hyperbola, there are two types. One is the transverse axis along x-axis, another one is the transverse axis along x-axis. Next one is conjugate axis along y-axis. Now EX number 5.2, sum number 1. EX number 5.2, sum number 1. Find the equation of the parabola. Find the equation of the parabola in each of the conics, in each of the cases given below. Number 1, focus 4, 0 and directrix x is equal to minus 4. Given focus 4, 0. Next, directrix x is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 4. First, we have to draw x and y axis. X dash, y dash. Focus 4, 0. 4, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Focus 4, 0. Directrix x is equal to minus 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now, this is shape of the parabola. Directrix line is this is x is equal to minus 4. The focus passing through the line is lattice rectum. Okay. Now, this is the shape of the parabola is open rightward parabola. The general equation is of the parabola open rightward. Y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus a h. Y minus 0 whole square is equal to 4a into x minus a 0. In this case, the distance between vertex and focus is 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeter. Therefore, here a is equal to 4. Substitute y square is equal to 4 into x. Y square is equal to 4ax. This is the required equation of the parabola. 4 into 4, 16. 16x. Hence, the equation of the parabola is y square is equal to 16x. Subdivision number 2 passes through point 2 comma minus 3 and symmetric about y axis given symmetric about y axis. Symmetric about y axis and passing through the point point 2 comma minus 3. Now draw the diagram. X dash 1 2 2 comma minus 3 2 comma minus 3. Okay, 1 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 passing through the point 2 comma minus 3. The shape of the parabola is open downward. The shape of the parabola is open downward. The equation of the parabola is general equation is x minus h whole square is equal to minus 4a into y minus k. Now h and k are 0 passing through the origin. Therefore h comma k is equal to 0 comma 0. So the equation becomes x square is equal to minus 4a into y. Now this passing through the point 2 comma minus 3. This passes through 2 comma minus 3. Substitute 2 comma minus 3 in equation number 1. X is equal to substitute x equal to 2, y is equal to minus 3 in equation number 1. So 4 is equal to minus 4a into y is minus 3. So 4 is equal to 12a. A is equal to 1 by 3. Substitute a is equal to 1 by 3 in equation number 1. Substitute a is equal to 1 by 3 in equation number 1. X square is equal to minus 4 into 1 by 3 of y. Cross multiplying 3x square is equal to minus 4y. This is the required equation of the parabola. This is the required equation of the parabola. Next, solution number 3. Solution number 3. Vertex (1, minus 2). Focus 4, minus 2. Vertex 1, minus 2. Focus 4, minus 2. X dash, y dash, 1 comma 4. First 1 comma minus 2. 1 minus 2. 1 minus 1 minus 2. This is vertex. Focus 4 comma minus 2. 2 3 4. 4 comma minus 2. Join vertex and focus. This is P, this is F. So the shape of the diagram is open right well. Parabola. The shape of the diagram is open right cut parabola. Okay, this is focus. Focus passing through the line is lateral rectum. So this is lateral rectum LR. Okay, now this is open rightward parabola. The general equation of the open rightward parabola is y square y minus k h y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. In this case vertex is 1 comma minus 2. So vertex is 1 comma minus 2, focus is this. So a is first apply x and h and k. We have h is 1 comma, this point is vertex 1 comma minus 2. So apply h and k. H and k is equal to 1 comma minus 2. We get y minus of minus plus 2 whole square is equal to 4a into x minus 1. Now to find a, a means distance between vertex and focus, VF. Distance between vertex and focus is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here x1 comma y1 is vertex point 1 comma minus 2. Next x2 comma y2. x2 comma y2 is focus point 4 comma minus 2. 4 comma minus 2. Distance between them. So VF is equal to x2 minus x1 4 minus 1 whole square plus minus 2 plus 2 whole square. Now 3 square is 9. 9 plus 0 is equal to root 9 is equal to positive 3. 3 is A. A is 3 or 3 is A. Substitute A is equal to 3 in equation number 1. 1 is this. Substitute A is equal to 3. Y plus 2 whole square is equal to 4 into 3 into x minus 1. Now y plus 2 whole square is equal to 12 into x minus 1. This is required equation of the parabola. This is required equation of the parabola. Next question number, solution number 4. end points of a lattice rectum lattice rectum 4 comma minus 8 and 4 comma positive 8. So to find the equation, okay, here 4 comma 8, here 4 comma minus 8. This is lattice rectum line LR. Now 4 comma 8, 4 comma minus 8 means focus is 4 comma 0. The midpoint of AB is also 4 comma 0. Why? The midpoint of AB is equal to end points. AB is equal to midpoint formula x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2 is equal to x1 plus x2 4 plus 4 by 2 comma 8 minus 8 divided by 2 is equal to 8 by 2 comma 0 4 comma 0. 4 comma 0 is focus. Now the general equation of the open rightward parabola is the equation of the general equation of the open rightward parabola is y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. In this case h and k are 0 0, therefore y square is equal to 4a into x. Substitute the midpoint focus point 4 comma 0. The distance between vertex and focus is 4a, therefore from the diagram a is equal to 4. Substitute a is equal to 4 in equation number 1. Y square is equal to 4 into 4 into x is equal to y square is equal to 16x. This is the required equation of the parabola. Find the equation of the ellipse. Find the equation of the ellipse in each of them. In each of them cases given below. Number 1, focus plus or minus 3,0 and the eccentricity is 1/2 is given. Now given a is equal to plus or minus a is equal to 3, so we have to take positive AE is equal to 3, but E is 1/2. A into 1/2 is equal to 3, A is equal to 6. Next we know that B square is equal to, in an ellipse, B square is equal to A square into 1 minus E square. A square is 6 square 36. 1 minus E square is 1 by 4. 36 into 3 by 4. This and this are cancelled. 9 3s are 27. B square is 27. A square is 36, B square is 27. The equation of the ellipse is x minus 0 whole square by a square plus y minus 0 whole square divided by b square is equal to another form. Now x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. This is the required equation of the ellipse. This is a square is 36. Therefore, x square by 36 plus y square by 27 is equal to 1. Substitute a and b, we get answer. This is the required equation of the ellipse. Subdivision number 2. Focus 0, plus or minus 4 is given, and end points are 0, plus or minus 5. 0, plus or minus 5 given. Focus 0, plus or minus 4. B is equal to 4. B is 4. B means 5. E is equal to 4. E is equal to 4 by 5. In this case, a square is equal to b square into 1 minus e square. 25. 1 minus 16 divided by 5. 4 divided by 5 whole square is 16 divided by 25 is equal to 25 into 9 by 25. Answer is 9. A square is 9. A is equal to 3. Next, E is given. Already known b square is 25. By the given another point at the end point 0, the end point is 0, plus or minus 5. Therefore, we have to take b as 5. B square is equal to 25. Now, the equation of the ellipse is x minus 0 whole square divided by 9. X minus 0 whole square divided by 9 plus y minus 0 whole square divided by 25 is equal to 1. This means x square by 9 plus y square by 25 is equal to 1. This is the required equation of the ellipse. Next, question number 3. Find the equation of the hyperbola. Find the equation of the hyperbola in each of the cases. In each of them cases, given below. Number 1, focus plus or minus 2, 0. Eccentricity is given by E is equal to 3 divided by 2. Given focus plus or minus 2, 0. Eccentricity 3 by 2. Now A is equal to positive 2. A is equal to A into 3 divided by 2 is equal to, so A is equal to, cross multiplying we get 4 divided by 3. A is equal to 4 by 3. Next B square. We know that B square is equal to, in a hyperbola, A square into E square minus 1. Ellipse, B square is equal to A square into 1 minus E square. In this case, hyperbola is given, therefore B square is equal to A square into E square minus 1 is equal to 16 by 9. 3 by 2 whole square is 9 by 4 minus 1 is equal to 16 by 9. 9 by 4 minus 1 is 5 by 9. 5 by 4. Now cancelling these two, 4, 20 divided by 9. The equation of the hyperbola is x minus 0 whole square divided by A square minus y minus 0 whole square divided by B square is equal to 1. X square divided by A square is 16 by 9. 16 by 9 minus y square divided by B square is 20 divided by 9 is equal to 1. Now x square means x square divided by 1. Reciprocal gives a x square 9x square divided by 16 minus 9y square divided by 20 is equal to 1. This is the required equation of the hyperbola. This is the required equation of the hyperbola. Next, subdivision number, this is subdivision number 1. Okay, 1. This is subdivision number 3. Passing through the point, point 5, minus 2 and length of the transverse axis and the length of the transverse axis along x-axis and of length 8 units. Given length and is of length 8 units, therefore 2a is equal to 8, a is equal to 4 is given. Next, the equation of the hyperbola is of the hyperbola is x square divided by 16 minus y square divided by b square is equal to 1. Next, passing through the point, passing through the point 5 comma minus 2. Substitute 5 comma minus 2 in equation number 1. Substitute x is equal to 5, y is equal to minus 2 in equation number 1. X squared by 16, 25 divided by 16 minus y square divided by b square. Y square is y square divided by, substitute minus 2 whole square is 4. 4 divided by b square is equal to 1. Now 4 by b square is equal to 25 by 16 minus 1 is equal to 25 minus 16 divided by 16. So 4 divided by b square is equal to 9 by 16. 4 by 9 by 16. Now b square is equal to, cross multiplying b square is equal to 16 4s are 64 by 9. So b square is 64 divided by 9. The equation of the hyperbola is, the equation of the hyperbola is x square divided by a square 16 minus y square divided by b square 64 divided by 9 is equal to 1. This can be written as, that is x square divided by 16 minus 9y square divided by 64 is equal to 1. This is the required equation of the hyperbola. Question number 4. Find the vertex focus. Find the vertex focus, equation of directrix, and length of the lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum given following. Given in the following. Number 1, y square is equal to 16x. Submission number 1, y square is equal to 16x. The general form of the equation is, let y square is equal to 16x, y minus 0 whole square is equal to 4 into x minus 0. Y minus 0 whole square is equal to 4a into x minus 0. This can be written as, the y square is equal to 4ax format, open rightward parabola. Okay. Now y vertex from the equation, vertex v is h and k are peak points, h and k are 0, 0. Therefore vertex is 0 comma 0. Next focus is 4 comma 0. Focus F 4 comma 0. Next equation of directrix. X is equal to, here focus is positive 4, therefore negative 4. X is equal to minus 4. Next length of the lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum 4a. Formula 4a. 4 into a is 4, therefore 16. Next solution number 4, x square minus 2x plus 8y plus 17 is equal to 0. Let x square minus 2x plus 8y plus 17 is equal to 0. Left hand side x square minus 2x, right hand side minus 8y minus 17. Adding 1 on both sides. Add a plus 1 on both sides. We have x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to minus 8y minus 16, no, minus 17 plus 1. This side x minus 1 whole square is equal to minus 8y minus 16. This can be written as minus 8 into y plus 1. This can be written as y plus 2. 18. 8 16. Common 8 minus 18. Common minus 8 y plus 2 is remaining part. Okay, remaining factor. Now this can be written as minus 4 into 2 into y plus 2. This is of the form x minus h whole square. This is of the form. This is of the form x minus h whole square is equal to minus 4 a y minus k. This is format. Now h and k are centers or vertex of the peak point of the peak point of the parabola. This is open downward parabola. Okay, open downward parabola. Now vertex v of h and k. H is 1, k is minus 2. So v of 1 comma minus 2. Next focus. Focus 0 plus k f 0 plus k minus a plus k is formula. Is equal to f of 0 plus 1 minus 2 comma k is minus 2. So focus 1 comma minus 4. Next equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. Equation of directrix formula y is equal to equation of directrix y is equal to minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Length of the lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum is equal to 4a. Formula 4 into A is in this case 2, 4 2s are 8. This is length of the latus rectum. Next question number 4. Length of the latus one is 8. Next question number 6. Already 4. So that the length of the latus rectum, length of the latus rectum of the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1 is 2b square divided by a. First we have to draw a hyperbola. This is L, this is L dash. Equation of the hyperbola is equation of the y dash. Equation of the hyperbola, this is a transverse axis along x axis, therefore x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to one of the form. The latus rectum is the latus rectum through the latus rectum through the point, the focus, the latus rectum LL dash through the focus capital F. F is AE comma Y1. Now substitute x is equal to AE, y is equal to Y1 in equation number 1. We have a square e square divided by a square minus y1 square divided by b square is equal to 1. A square cancel, e square minus 1 is equal to y1 square divided by b square. y1 square divided by b square. Now y1 square is equal to b square into e square minus 1. We know that b square is equal to, in a hyperbola b square is equal to a square into e square minus 1. B square by a square is e square minus 1. Substitute e square minus 1 is equal to b square by a square. In this equation 1, no 2. Substitute b square by a square substitute b square by a square is equal to e square minus 1. So y1 square in 1 we have y1 square is equal to b square into b square by a square. Now b to the power of 4 divided by a square, taking square root on both sides, we have y1 is equal to b square by a. End points are the end points are AE comma plus B square by A and AE comma minus B square by A. Here taking square root plus or minus B square by A. Now length of the lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum is equal to L plus L dash, B square by A plus again B square by positive A is equal to 2B square divided by A. Next question number 8. Submission number 1. Identify the type of conic and find the center, focus, vertices and directrix of each of the following. Each of the following. Number 1, x minus 3 whole square divided by 225 plus y minus 4 whole square divided by 289 is equal to 1. Here let the given equation is, this is a ellipse equation. X minus 3 whole square divided by 225 plus y minus 4 whole square divided by 289 is equal to 1. Here a square is equal to 289. A is equal to, taking square root of is 17. Next b square is equal to 225. Taking square root, b is equal to 15. Now a square is equal to, no, c square is equal to a square plus a square minus b square is c square. Okay, a square minus b square. A square is 289 minus 225 is equal to 64. C is 8. Eccentricity is, in a hyperbola, 1 minus b square by 4. In this case ellipse, 1 minus b square by a square is equal to 1 minus b square is 225 divided by 289. Now 289 minus 225 divided by 289. Numerator 64, denominator 289. Taking square root, we get 8517. Now first center. center C is 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4 is H and K. Next focus, center 3 comma 4, H and K. Next subdivision number 2, number 1. Number 2, focus, subdivision number 2, focus is formula f of H comma K plus C H comma K minus C. H comma H is 3 comma 4 plus 8, 3 comma 4 minus 8. Now 3 comma 12 comma 3 comma minus 4. This is F1, this is F2. F1, F2. Number 3, vertex. V1 is H comma K minus A. V2 is H comma K plus A. 3 comma 4 minus 17, V2. 3 comma 4 plus 17, 3 comma minus 13, V2. 3 comma 21. Next equation of directrix. Equation of directrix CD. Y minus 4 is equal to plus or minus A by E. Plus or minus A by E. Y minus 4 is equal to plus or minus 17 by 8. Y is equal to 4 plus or minus 17 by 8. Y is equal to 4 plus 17 by 8, comma y is equal to 4 minus 17 by 8. Y is equal to 32 plus 17 divided by 8. No, 32 divided by 8. In this case, y minus 4, 4 plus A is 17. Okay. 6 3 ஆரம்பிச்சா is equal to 289 plus 32, 289 plus 32 divided by 2, divided by 2, and divided by 2 or 8, and y is equal to minus 289 plus 32 divided by 8. Y is equal to 321 by 8, and y is equal to minus 257 divided by 8. Next ex number, these are the solutions. Next ex number 5.3, identify the type of conic section for each of the equation. Number 1, 2x square minus y square is equal to 7. Let 2x square minus y square is equal to 7. Divide through by 7 on both sides. 2x square minus y square divided by 7 is equal to 1. This can be split into two parts. One is 2x square by 7 minus y square divided by 7 is equal to 1. X square divided by 7 by 2 minus y square by 7 is equal to 1. This is of the form. This is of the form x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1 of the form. So the given equation represents the hyperbola. The given equation represents the hyperbola. Question number, subdivision number 3. The given equation is 3x square plus 2y square is equal to 14. Let 3x square plus 2y square is equal to 14. 3x square by 14 plus 2y square by 14 is equal to 1. Now this can be written as x square by 14 by 3 plus y square by 14 by 2 is equal to 1. This can be written as x square divided by 14 by 3 plus y square divided by 7 is equal to 1. This is of the form. This is of the form x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. The given equation represents ellipse. Next question number 3, 4. Now today homework. Ex number 5.2, sum number 2, subdivision number 3, subdivision number 4, third sum, subdivision number 2, fourth sum, subdivision number 2, subdivision number 3, subdivision number 5, 7. Number 8, subdivision number 2 to 6. Next ex number 5.3, sum number 2, sum number 4 and sum number 6. Study well. Any doubt? Reply the message. Thank you.